Hi everyone, my name is Jake, and I'm here to tell you about the Naturalist Program at the EcoTarium. The Naturalist Program is a new educational initiative aimed towards rising 9th and 10th graders in the Worcester area, and we're hoping to get people who are interested in science, STEM, and finding out more about working in museums. This program will follow the schedule of the school year and will include hands-on interactive activities, projects, and exploration of the museum's collection. The first 2 years focus on New England ecology and STEM work, featuring units on owls, reptiles, birds of prey, freshwater fish, amphibians, and their habitats. If there's a particular kind of indigenous New England animal or ecosystem that you love, we'll probably focus on it. As the program progresses, each month we'll have a different theme with corresponding citizen science projects, museum projects, and field trips. We're going to be spending as much time as possible enjoying the outdoors and having fun through hands-on science, participating in bioblitzes, bird counts, and other scientific explorations of the nature around us. But don't be intimidated. Citizen science is more approachable than you think, and we're all going to be learning together. Year 3 will include rotations of internships in various departments in the museum, so youth can gain experience working with collections, wildlife, exhibits, and education departments. Each autumn, we'll be welcoming aboard another group of 9th and 10th graders so they can experience and progress through the program as well. I'm really excited to be a part of this. It's going to be a ton of fun. For more information, please visit ecotarium.org/naturalistprogram or send an email to naturalistprogram@ecotarium.org.